How to watch T20 World Cup live. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. At the top, you're going to see the search box. Over there, type in ICC and then search for it. With that, you will be directed to this kind of page. Now here you're going to find different website options. Head over to this website option, Live Cricket on ICC.tv. Open it. You'll be directed to the official website of it. Now, in order to watch T20 World Cup live, what you have to do is log into your account. At the top right corner, you're going to find the option of Sign In. You have to go ahead and click on that option. You will be directed to the login page. If you haven't created your account yet, you can just create it, or you can directly sign in using your social account, Facebook or Google. I'm going to do that. You can also apply the same process. Just go ahead and click on the option of Google. Now select the Gmail account that you want to use for logging in. Now go ahead and click on Continue. Now you have to fill this. Type in your first name, last name, and then select your country. Then check in for these options, and then click on the option of Create Account. Once your account has been created, you will land to this kind of interface. Go ahead and click on three bars given at the top left corner. Then head over to the option of Home. Once you're in the home page, you're going to find all the scheduled matches. You can see this section for live and upcoming. Likewise, you'll also find this section of team rankings, men and women. Here towards live and upcoming section, you're going to find the matches scheduled. Once the matches are live, you can watch from here. So this is how you can easily watch T20 World Cup live. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.